Hello, everyone. My name is Dylan Areno, the product manager for distribution. And today I'm going to be presenting our 14.1 kickoff. This is our scheduling issue for the 14.1 release. Very streamlined product priorities for this next milestone. Follow-up work from our major release 14.0. We expected some things to sift out that need to be accomplished based on the major release. So we're going to follow up on any issues that pertain to that, and then really work full steam ahead on our GA release of the operator. So jumping right into the operator work that I'm excited about. Number one is we're going to evaluate options for our operator installation. So currently for the beta, to kind of get it working, the installation experience isn't quite what we want it to be. So what is encompassed in this issue is evaluating the best path forward for a more typical operator experience for our users, and also implementing that. So 14.1, hopefully the installation experience for GA will be complete. Moving on to another big ticket item. Last milestone, there was another SSH support item that was more of a research one. So we have completed that work and found the best path forward. So basically what we're going to be doing is deploying our forked ingress objects from the GitLab charts to support SSH in our operator, and by extension for OpenShift. So moving on to another OpenShift item, operator item that I'm excited about, it does pertain to OpenShift, is we're going to be running our QA and functional tests for the operator on OpenShift 4.7. So this is very exciting. We plan to support 4.7, or at least see what that would entail. And so this is a big step forward in that as well. So these couple issues, as well as a few others, are going to encompass a large amount of the work that's going to be accomplished in 14.1, really delivering our users the operator as soon as we can. And again, by extension, OpenShift support. Moving on, another one that kind of popped up from a customer is documenting more secure Petroni patterns. So there was a security kind of access problem with the Petroni API. And so we're going to do a better job of documenting this in our documentation. So they asked, this customer asked how we can lock down the port 8008. And we're going to go ahead and make sure that is more explicit in our documentation. So moving on. We're on an increased lifespan of self-signed certificates for Ingress. Right now, it's set to 365 days, and we're basically going to push this out as an intermediate step before essentially regenerating these self-signed certificates before they expire. So this is just a nice little thing. That's one less thing for admins to have to worry about, is these self-signed certificates. And finally, the last item here that I do want to call out is our omnibus self-service framework. So this is more of an internal thing, but I think it's worth mentioning because the more efficiency that we can provide internally is more features and issues that we can accomplish that are externally facing. So for this one, I'm really excited about. Essentially, this stems from something that Geo did, which is internally users can basically check if their features are going to be kind of ready for the omnibus package. We do have another one for charts that's going to be accomplished a little bit later in a couple later milestones. But this is a really great efficiency piece that will help our team drive more value to users later on. So really excited about this one. Again, we are mainly working on GA of the operator stuff. But this is encompassing a little bit of other work that we kind of need to do to keep the lights running, and then again kicking off some things that'll help us be more efficient in the future. So thank you very much. If you want to check out what we're going to be working on, you can follow the link for this scheduling issue, and have a great day.